Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a 2-in-1. First, we're going to try to make lipstick. So this way it's a 2-in-1 because I'm gonna fail at one of those things. We're gonna try to do lipstick without any instructions. I have the things, which it shouldn't be that hard. They're like the same things but like different. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Give this video a thumbs up and turn on the bell to get notified when I post next. This is a wax base, and then we got some wax chips, and then I have this mixy thingy. I don't know if this goes with it. Then we have flavors, and we have some lip shimmer. We want some shimmer. I'm being myself. It's going pretty well. I'm being myself. It's going pretty well. No, I'm trying to do some lipstick. I don't know how it's gonna go. This, which is another lipstick kit thing, smells different. It says crayons. I made two different lipsticks. One of just the Project MC2 stuff, which is the first stuff I showed you, and then the other one is another stuff, and we're gonna put it in this one. Lip shimmer. Three of those. I always love the watermelon. I am and 1, a 2, a 3. Okay. We're gonna get more. We're gonna put that right there. And we're gonna mix. Oh, beautiful. Okay. That's like really thick. We're gonna add some of the wax chips. Oh goodness. Whoop. I don't care. We're gonna just clean the side, put that there, put the lid on it, and I'm gonna go put it in the refrigerator. Okay, we got white. Okay. And we're gonna mix it with Okay, I'll keep recording after I'm done. So I don't think all of it's gonna fit after a lot of time trying to get it to fit. I have now got all of this dirty, got all my hands dirty, and I suck. I keep squeezing it and then adding the same amount I took out when I squeezed it, and because I know there's still space, it just doesn't want to let me add it in. This lip thing was such a bad idea. So this is what happened after the video. I was sweating a lot on my face, and I usually always touch my face. I washed my hands, and the glitter didn't come off, and now my face is full of glitter. So are both of my hands. My hair has glitter. My shirt. Just wanna go cry. So this was a fail. Thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up.